The OnePlus 15 is finally heading to international markets, with its official launch in the US, UK, and Europe confirmed for November 13th. The announcement comes from OnePlus Europe's CMO, Selena Shi, who shared key details in an interview with TechRadar. The phone was unveiled in China on October 28th, and now, global audiences are waiting to see if the international model will be just as impressive or if it will fall short of expectations, according to OnePlus. The company didn't skip the OnePlus 14 by accident. The number 4 is considered unlucky in Chinese culture, and the new device represents what the company calls a two-generation leap in performance, intelligence, and design. That's why it jumped straight from 13 to 15, Selena Shi described. The phone has a complete transformation, saying that the device has been revamped both inside and out. At the heart of the OnePlus 15 lies Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, one of the most powerful processors in the smartphone industry. It's also among the first phones to feature the ultra-fast 10,667 megabytes per second LPDDR5X Ultra Plus RAM. This advanced memory is available only in the 16 GB variant. This combination promises top-tier performance, especially for gaming and multitasking. But hardware isn't the only major highlight. The OnePlus 15 marks a big step forward in artificial intelligence. The company is integrating AI deeply into its software and features. One major change is the replacement of the classic alert slider with the new AI-driven Plus key. This customizable button gives quick access to features like screenshots, the camera, and even smart functions powered by AI. The phone will debut with OxygenOS 16, OnePlus's latest interface that combines AI with a smooth, user-centric design. It introduces an updated mind space, an AI-powered locker where users can save content for analysis. This version integrates with Google's Gemini, allowing the AI to perform actions based on what's stored. Essentially, it acts as a context-aware second brain that understands the user's needs and provides intelligent responses. Selena Shi explained that this integration makes the OnePlus 15 the industry's first personalized AI with Gemini support, combining saved data with advanced large language model capabilities and real-time internet access. This means users can enjoy a more dynamic and responsive AI experience than before. On the camera front, the OnePlus 15 doesn't boast a huge megapixel upgrade but instead introduces the company's in-house Telmexangan. This system merges multiple 12-megapixel images with a 50-megapixel shot to create a balanced 26-megapixel photo that looks detailed and realistic. The phone can now shoot at 10 frames per second, compared to 6 FPS on the OnePlus 13, and features dual exposure, anti-blur technology for sharp images of moving subjects. Low light performance has also been boosted with the new Clear Night engine, which captures multiple brightness levels to deliver natural-looking night shots. These changes show that OnePlus is focusing on realistic photography rather than just chasing high megapixel counts. Design-wise, the OnePlus 15 takes a bold new direction. The device has undergone a complete visual overhaul with a symmetrical camera module and 3 stylish color options: Infinite Black, Sandstorm, and Ultraviolet. Each finish targets a unique audience, emphasizing that this model isn't just a hardware upgrade, but a full identity refresh for OnePlus. However, despite all the exciting improvements, some concerns surround the global version. Selena Shi avoided confirming whether the international model will retain the 165Hz display seen on the Chinese version. She only mentioned that display quality and refresh rates remain key priorities. This leaves fans unsure if the global edition will deliver the same smooth, gaming-grade visuals. The bigger issue is that the global OnePlus 15 may lose some standout features from the Chinese variant. The Chinese model's 7300 mAh silicon-carbon battery is unlikely to be included in the US or European versions because this advanced battery technology hasn't been approved widely outside China. If replaced with a smaller lithium-based battery, the international model could lose one of its biggest advantages. Pricing is another major factor. In China, the phone costs around $563, a strong value for its specs. But reports suggest that in the US, it could start at $899, similar to the OnePlus 13's launch price. That price jump, combined with fewer features, could make the phone a tougher sell in Western markets. Adding to that, smaller camera sensors might limit the device's photography potential. The heavy emphasis on gaming and AI features hints that OnePlus may be repositioning the phone for performance enthusiasts rather than camera lovers. All things considered, the OnePlus 15 certainly sounds like a next-generation device, blending AI innovation, powerful performance, and a bold new design. Yet, the global model's missing features, higher price tag, and uncertain battery upgrade could make it less appealing to international buyers. while the Chinese variant offers incredible value and performance. The worldwide version might struggle to match that excitement. In short, the OnePlus 15 may be a technological leap, but whether global audiences will embrace it the same way remains to be seen.